Okay, how are you today, Ken?
I am great.
What is that? That's a food? What's that? Ah, it's a food. Okay. I don't know. It's a chips.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's the baby? Where's your baby now? Hello, baby girl. Ay, ay, la, 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 la. Baby. Hi, hi. Hi, teacher. Hi, teacher. Oh, the baby is not in good mood, Ken. What happened? Why the baby is not feeling happy? Why? The baby is sad. Why? Oh, he's going somewhere. Okay. So now Ken, let us have this. Ken. Okay, here. Where is it, teacher Anne? Okay, Ken. Okay. Okay, Ken. Merry Christmas. Okay, here. Look at this one. This is in Unit 43. That's my holiday. Yeah. What is this, teacher Anne? Okay, let us talk now about holiday. Okay, where are you going? Okay, so let us talk now about holiday. Okay, now can you match the word here? See, you have here A, B, C, D, and E. Can you match? Where is the correct answer? Where is the correct answer? Okay, now can you match the word? Number one, do you enjoy going on a holiday?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy going on a holiday?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what is the answer? It's in letter, it's in right. It's in right here.
B.
Letter B. Yes, it's great. Number two, what do you like eating on holiday? What do you like eating on holiday?
E.
Letter E, coffee, ice cream. What do you go? Who do you go on holiday with?
I.
Okay, letter A. What do you like doing on holiday?
D.
D. Letter D. Okay. Yeah, very good. Ken, you've got 4 points. Okay, I will list now the points because I need to post it in 4 points. Post it in Zalo. How many points can you have? Okay. It's 4 over 4. Perfect. Next. Okay. Okay. Which was the wrong answer? It's at the beach. At the beach, don't have much. Don't have much. Okay. Can you think, Ken boy? Can you think another question for this answer? Ken? Can you think of another question for this answer?
I.
Okay. What is, can you think? Think of another question for this answer. Can you think?
No.
You don't, can you think? Okay.
What?
Okay, wait here. Where are you now? That's, look at Ken. Where are you now?
I am at home.
I'm at home. Okay. I'm at the beach. Okay. Where do you go swimming? What is your answer?
At
What?
the beach.
At the beach. Very good, my dear Ken. It's at the beach. Yes, of course. Where's your
I
holiday or your home? Okay. Where's your holiday or your home? Is it at the? Again, is at the beach. Yes, it's at the beach. Okay, here. Now, Ken, please listen this one. You read and choose the best answer. Again, you read and please choose the best answer. Okay, number one. What do you think is the answer? Ken? Okay, what's that? It's the chips. What do you think is the answer for number one? Look at number one. Please look at number one. Look at number one, Ken boy. Can you see number one, Ken? Please, Ken, you look at number one.
I.
Okay, number one is?
I. Why?
It's letter A. It's letter A. Last year, okay, it's letter A. Last year, okay. Did you enjoy your holiday, Jill? Yes. Thanks. Okay, Ken. The answer, Ken. Ken, look at teacher Ann. What happened? You look at teacher Ann. Oh, you're not done eating?
I got it. One.
Ken. Okay, sit down. Sit down. You can eat while teaching or while having class with teacher. First question for number one. Did you enjoy your holiday, Jill? The answer is? Look at teacher. The answer is? Yes. What's the answer, Ken? Okay, what's the answer, Ken? Okay, Ken, look at number one. Did you enjoy your holiday, Jill? The answer is letter C. Yes, thanks. Number two. Look at number two. Where did you go? What's the answer?
B.
B, to the jungle. Very good. Number three, so that you can have perfect points. Number three. How did you get there?
I.
Letter A. Letter C. Number four. Mr. Ride, what sport did you do on your holiday?
I went swimming.
Okay, I went swimming. Okay, number five. Here are the two photos. What is your answer?
B.
B. Wow, they're great. Okay, very good. Ken, you got 4/5. 4/5. Good job, Ken. Next, Ken. Here. Okay. Okay, Ken. Here. Okay, Ken. Can you find the difference here? Can you find the difference?
No.
Okay. Can you find? Okay. Can you see the difference? Please, Ken. You look up here. What are the difference? Tell me the difference.
The difference is the parrot and the tree there. And picture on the apple parrot is picture to the tree parrot.
Slowly, please. Next. Very good. Next. Correct. 1 point. Next.
Picture on the gold earth. Huh? Đây.
Okay. Number 2. What's the difference? Number 2. Another.
Number 2. The girl is swimming.
Okay.
Number
The girl is
1. The monkey is eating a flower next to the monkey is eating a tree.
okay. Look at Ken. Number 3. The third is monkey. The monkey is not eating the flower. It's only the monkey is only holding the flower. But in the second picture, the monkey is holding the what?
Tree.
It is a
Tree.
It is a banana, Kent. Look at Kent. It's banana. Next, number 4. What's the difference?
The difference is the boy is climbing.
Climbing. How about here? Okay, fishing. Very good. 3 points. Next.
Picture on there are only one bat. In picture 2 there are many bats.
Okay. And picture 1, 1 bat. And picture D, there are 2 bats. Okay. 4 points. Next. Next, Ken.
Picture 1 the boat is brown. In picture 2 the boat is yellow. Picture on the duck house.
5. The boat is brown and the boat is yellow. Next.
And on the neck have don't have many legs. In picture 2 the neck have many legs.
Okay, many. Okay, that's 5 points, Ken. So this is the brother of Jill. Jill's brother. Okay, look at that one. The difference. Okay, can you see that? 4 parrots, 3 parrots. Banana and flower. The snake, short body. Ken, look at this one. And this one, long body. The girl is swimming. Jill is swimming. And Jill is taking a photo here. Number 4. Next is here. Bats. 1 bat and 2 bats. Next. Okay, very good. So you've got 5 points, Ken. I will write here. 5 over 5. Okay, very good. You have to answer this properly. These are points. I will send it to your mommy, to your mom, to your mother. I will send it to your mother, the scores. Okay? Now, can you answer using the words here? What's the answer for number 1?
Climb.
Okay. Climb. Plane. Number 2.
Sunny.
Sunny.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Very good, Ken. Next, number 4.
Camera.
Camera. Very good. Number 5.
Grandma.
Grandma. Okay, very good. Okay, I have here My Holiday by Fred Top. My name's Fred and I love going on a holiday. For our holiday last year, we went to an island. I enjoyed being there a lot. We traveled there by plane. That was exciting too. Listen to teacher. It was hot and sunny every day on the island, but at night it sometimes rained and rained. The food there was great. We often ate pineapples, and Dad cooked fish on the beach one day too. Everyone went swimming in the morning, and then we went for a long walks every afternoon. I took my camera with me because I wanted to take a lot of photo of everything that I saw there. I brought some really pretty shells home. I gave the best one to my grandma. She really loved it. Oh, this is about the holiday, Ken. It's about the very nice holiday at the top. Fred top. Okay? Do you understand, Ken Ken?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Okay. Okay, Ken. For now, let's try this. Okay. So I will write here 5 over 5 again. Very good, Ken Ken boy. Next, Ken, let's continue. Okay. I will show your scores to your mom in Zalo. Okay. I will ask you now. You think of 5 fun things you can do on an island and 5 fun things you can do in or in the sea. Okay, first, in the island. What can you do in the island? Can you think, Tinken?
Go poo poo.
What will you do? In the island,
Go,
what will you do?
go poo poo.
Oh, what's that? Oh, answer
Go,
properly. Answer properly. You
go
cannot.
poo poo.
What? Football in the island? Really? Huh? Another. I want another one. Go, go, go. Another.
Go to attack the island.
Attack the island, teacher. Roar! I will, I will attack. You will why will you attack the island? The island doesn't do anything to you. The island is beautiful. Okay. What can you do in the sea? In the sea water. When you will be in the beach, what will you do, Ken?
Dead.
Huh? What will you do?
Dead.
Don't be silly. Okay. Try to give me the word that will do in the sea or in the island or in the beach. Okay, tell me now.
Go poo poo. Fight the tree. Fight the bird. Attack the island.
Are you war? Are you are you brave? Okay, look at this one. You have a lot of things, can. You have a lot of things that you can do in the island. Okay. Look at this one. You can run on the sun, play games on the beach. You can sleep in the picnic. You can sleep in the sun. Here, in the sea, you can do this. Look at Ken. You can go for a swim. Do you know how to swim, Ken? Do you know how to swim, Ken?
No, but I know to attack the bird.
Yeah. Do you know how to play a ball?
No, but I can attack the tree.
Okay. Oh, can you climb the tree?
No, but
Yeah.
I can attack people.
You can attack people. Are you brave?
Yeah.
Yeah, really? Are you brave that you can attack the people? Are you true? Can you attack people? Really? Can? Okay,
Yeah.
tell me, show me the face when you attack people. Okay, what is the face of Ken? Show teacher Ann, What is the face? Look, like that. Oh, is that how you attack? Let me see, let me see, let me see. Very brave. And teacher Anwald. Ah, I will attack Ken Ken. Oh, give me 5, Ken. Give me 5, teacher. Yeah. Love, love, Ken Ken. Where is the love, love sign up, teacher? May I see the love, love sign? It's here. Do you know how to do this? Do you know how to do this?
No.
Ken? No, teacher. Oh. Do you know how to do this, Ken Ken? Look at teacher and kick, 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 kick. Oh, you know how to do this? Oh, not like that. It's not fighting. Today is Love Love Day because it's New Year. Tomorrow it's New Year. Right?
But
Oh,
I'm fighting that.
oh, not fighting day. I don't want fight. Not fighting day. Oh, very brave. Oh, looks like ninja. Oh, you know your mom can see that in the video. Wow. Your mom can see this in the video. Oh, what Ken Ken is doing here. Okay. Now Ken Ken, look at this Ken Ken boy. Ken, look at this Ken. Okay. Okay. Ken, did you know you have the answers? What an exciting trip. Okay. The difference between trip and a holiday. Okay, look at this one. The difference between trip and holiday is a trip is usually a journey. A trip is usually a journey. Okay. It's a journey. Okay. It's a journey to... Can stop that one. Stop the fighting now. Or later na. Later you will fight your enemy. Stop now. Stop now. Stop. Stop. Sit down. I will not start unless you will not sit down. Sit down. Okay. Very good, my dear. Okay. Oh, the warrior is tired. Are you tired, warrior? You are tired?
Dead.
Ah.
Dead.
Oh, you smile, teacher now. You smile, teacher Ann. Smile. Show me your smile. Show me the handsome smile of my Ken Ken. Oh, it's not like that. It's not the great smile. It will not make you handsome. Oh, don't make your tongue out. Don't like that. Okay. Now, Ken Ken, the difference between trip and a holiday. Okay. When we see trip, Ken, it's a journey to a place you want to visit. Okay, I will ask you, what place do you want to visit, Ken?
I don't know.
Do you like America?
I don't know.
Okay, how about New York?
I don't know.
How about Philippines? You want to come to
I
Teacher
don't know.
Ann? You don't like to come here? I will give you a lot of Pokemons. I have many Pokemons. I have many. I have. Yeah, I have many. I have many Pokemons. Okay, Ken, stop that one.
Give me.
Yeah. Oh, if you will behave, I will give you. You will come in the Philippines. I will give you 3 bucks of Pokemons. I have many.
Give me now.
I have many Pokemons. Okay, Jillian. Okay, Jillian is not around. I will ask Jillian to get the Pokemon. Okay, so trip, Ken, is a journey to a place you want to visit. But you might come home again on the same day. Okay,
No.
so when you
No.
say, okay, Ken, when you say holiday, it's the special holiday. It's a special day, Ken.
Never.
Okay, why it's never? What do you mean by the word never?
Give me Pokemon.
Okay, I will show you later the Pokemon.
Give me Pokemon.
Oy, Ken, do not shout like that. It's not good to shout. Okay, do not shout like that. Your mom will hear this. And your mom will can see the video. Please do not shout. It's not good to shout, Ken. Oh, that's what's that? That's dragon. That's alligator. Oh, that's nice, Ken. Okay. Teacher Anne will ask you some questions. When did you go on a trip? Again. When did you go on a trip? Oh, sorry.
Never.
Okay. Look at this one. I have many Pokemon cards. Can you see this? I have many Pokemon cards. Do you think you're the only one who has Pokemon? Look at this one. See, teacher. Look at teacher Anne. I have many Pokemon. I have many Pokemon. Look at that one. See, I have many Pokemon. Can you see that one? Okay, I have many Pokemon here. Look at this one. Look at Ken. Look at Ken. And you have here the strongest one.
This is the strongest one.
I have here the strongest one. Like that. What's the strongest here? Okay, I have the strongest. And this one. Look at Ken. Okay. It's dark called GX. Okay. I will give you this when you come here in the Philippines. I have many Pokemons here. Yeah, look at this one. Look at Ken. Many Pokemon of teacher. Look. Look at this one. Many. I have many here. Look at teacher. Oh, Pokemon of teacher. Many Pokemon. Oh, sorry. I have many here. It's still in Jillian's hand. Many Pokemon. Okay, so you want to go to the Philippines? You don't like to go here? Ken?
I like to go.
Oh, you want to go. So when you come here, when did you go to Philippines? When?
100.
100? Okay. So you will go in the Philippines. Okay. Who will you go with when you go in the Philippines? You will go with the baby only?
Zombie.
With your zombie? Oh, zombie does not exist. It's not real. It's fake. It's not true. Can you see that? Zombies are not real. They are not true, Ken. They are not real. Yeah, they are not real. Do you think zombies is real? Are you sure with that, Ken boy? Okay. So here, Ken, how did you get there? How can you go to the Philippines? What you will ride? A train? A plane? Oh, have you ride a plane, Ken? No. Oh, what happened to the baby?
He always talks about zombie.
He always talks about zombie. Baby, don't talk about zombie. Okay, it's always Ken is scared. Are you scared of the zombie, Ken? Are you scared of the zombie?
No.
Oh, you're very brave of the zombie. Okay. So Ken, do you have question? Teacher Anne will say goodbye now. And then, okay, I will tell your mom what you're doing. You're not doing good today. You want to go good tomorrow? You promise again? You promise again? Promise, teacher? Oh, very good. Okay. So don't be late tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, Ken. When will be our next, Ken? On Thursday. Yeah, tomorrow. Okay. Don't be late tomorrow, okay? And be good tomorrow. I will mark that. Okay? Okay, Ken? You want another teacher?
My mom said me always late.
Wow.
Because he don't
she doesn't remember. Okay, you want another teacher? You don't like Teacher Ann anymore?
No.
You don't like me?
No.
Oh, you want another teacher?
No.
Okay, you love Teacher Ann now. Love Teacher Ann. Love now. Where's your love sign? Where's the love sign of Kin Kin? Love Teacher Ann. Where's... Ah. Okay, you behave tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Oh, you behave tomorrow, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Kin Kin boy. Where's the baby, Ken?
Bye, teacher.
Where's the baby?
Outside. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.